In today's video, we will learn how to set up your first workflow. Let's get started. A workflow allows automating various actions and tasks based on specific conditions or triggers. Here we have vacation approval form. This form should include all of the necessary information for the approval process, such as the employee's name and email ID, the concerned manager's details, and the dates of the requested vacation. To set up a workflow for a vacation approval form, click on the Workflows option. Now create a new workflow and enter a name for your workflow. Response is data that is collected from the user. Select your form name here. Drag and drop Approvers section right here. Let's connect these first. Now select the manager's email ID from the drop-down. When employee fill out the form, the people in the approval flow will be notified to respond. In this case, we will send the approval email to the manager. Add 2 email boxes here. If the manager approves the request, an automated approval email is sent to the employee, and the workflow ends. You can edit the email format that the employee will receive. To get data from the response, such as the employee name, start date and end date, you need to enter a query. Enter authorate and select the field from drop-down. If the manager denies the request, an email with a denial report is automatically sent to the employee, and the process ends. Now, let's include a default format for the denial email. Save your workflow and hit publish. When employee fill out the form, their submission will automatically trigger the approval flow you created. The manager will receive an email to approve or reject the request. The employee will be notified about the status of their request. This way you can set up your very first workflow. Stay tuned for more tutorials.